taking you to a place that is inaccessible during winter. A remote village located 1,600 meters above sea level and is only accessible by riding quads. On this trip we're bringing with us the DJI Avata AxisFlying and GIMP RC5. And you'll see which drone we used to capture this footage. And you'll find out why I love this drone so much. But we quickly realized it ain't gonna be easy. We got stuck multiple times. But nothing great came easy in life, so we kept on pushing forward. With our struggle to get on top of the lake, we also crashed the drone today. But it was so worth it capturing this beautiful village. But we quickly realized this is gonna be challenging due to the heavy snowfall a night before. Here we rented the quads that will take us up to the mountain, and our guide told us to be careful because it was a safe and sound on top of the mountain and there gonna be a lot of ice and snow on the road. So we packed all our equipment and were ready to go. We quickly realized he wasn't kidding. As we entered the woods, we were surprised how much snow there was, and even the entrance looked beautiful. Now we just need to get to the top of the mountain and start flying. We have approximately 50 kilometers left of beautiful scenery, so let's speed this up so I can show you why I love the DJI Avata with the AxisFlying kit. We got stopped multiple times and couldn't get any further, but we haven't come this far to give up, and you can't have an adventure without a bit of struggle. Just look at this gorgeous location, it's so worth the struggle. So not only are we going to fly FPVs, but the trip up there was beautiful. And we were happy to finally get up here. So we stopped to take in the view. My friend Emir had fired up his GIMP RC5 to capture these shots. We are driving through the village to arrive at the final spot next to the lake. We are finally here after an hour's drive, and we arrived just at the time when the sun was behind a few clouds. As we waited for the sun to come up from the clouds, we looked at the ways where to fly FPV drones. Emir arrived a bit later because he was flying his custom drone. As he arrived, he told me they had issues with the battery. The batteries were too cold due to the bad weather, so he's going to use the DJI Avata with the AxisFlying kit on top, which was our backup drone. Let's see how the AxisFlying kit behaves in bad weather. That didn't go so well. Let's see that in slow motion. The wind was quite hard, he didn't give enough power, so he's gonna try again. And lift off. So let's take a look at the shots we captured with the drone in the village called Prokosko Lake in Bosnia Herzegovina. As you can see, with this drone you can fly both cinematic and a bit of freestyling. So the Avata handled -10 degrees perfectly, we had no issues flying. So what you can do is you can buy the original Avata, learn how to fly, and then later you can upgrade to my system with the AxisFlying kit. And if you're thinking that you can't catch any good footage with the original DJI Avata, check out these shots that we captured last year by just using the DJI Avata inbuilt camera, the O3. As you see, it's not necessary to have a GoPro on top. Once you feel comfortable flying, you can upgrade to the AxisFlying kit, which can easily carry a GoPro on top. Listen to it how it rips. The AxisFlying kit is fantastic. You can fly up to 8 to 10 minutes with the GoPro on top, and that is more than enough to capture some beautiful footage. The AxisFlying kit is much more powerful than the original Avata and the DJI Avata too. So what you can do is buy a used Avata, and then as you learn to fly you can upgrade to this amazing kit. I especially like it because it's powerful and it's easy to travel with. You just charge the batteries and you're ready to go. I have also developed my own LUTs, which are easy to apply with to get beautiful color grades. Here you can see how it looks before and after. I also made a tutorial how to color grade with my LUTs in both DaVinci Resolve and Adobe Premiere. The LUTs I developed work both for O3 and GoPro. If you like beautiful FPV footage, you can also check out my friend Emir's channel. We usually go on trips together as it's much more fun to fly FPV together with your friends. So if you fly FPV, make sure to get some new friends who love flying FPV as much as you do. It's way more fun. If you want to see more shots created with DJI Avata AxisFlying kit, you can check out these 2 videos on my channel. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and most important of all, happy flying!